Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Bose AE2 sound link with Macbook. And to do this you will need to power on your headphones first, so locate the right headphone, it's this one right here, then turn the switch up in the middle. You will see here the notification that the headphones are powered on. Now we can move on to our MacBook and turn on the Bluetooth, go for the settings. Right here it's the time to enter pairing mode, so scroll up with this key to enter pairing mode, and now simply go for the Bose SoundLink and connect. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.